Hello and welcome to Bhunt Coder Android Programming Tutorials. Let's kickstart our course, and in this first tutorial we'll learn how to set up Android Studio. Now you can make use of the traditional notepad to write Android programming codes, but we're gonna make use of the most popular IDE available for Android programming, and that's Android Studio. Android Studio will give you access to tons of utilities and tools that's gonna make your life a hell of a lot simpler. So let's learn how to set up Android Studio. Open Google and type in Android Studio Bundle. Now open the first result from developer.android.com. Now take a note and bookmark this website, or just keep the path wherever you want, because this is the official website for Android, and we're going to make use of this website quite a few times. This will give you access to the tons of documentations and implementations for different utilities, different classes, and different methods. So just bookmark this website, and now we'll download Android Studio. Just make sure that you got the correct version. A correct version means correct version of Windows 64-bit or 32-bit, or correct version of Mac or Linux or whatever you are using. So since this is the correct version for me, I'm gonna download Android Studio from here. But I already have this downloaded in my system, so I'm gonna skip this part and just make sure, because it's quite a hefty software, 758 MB. Just make sure you have a good internet connection, and you have that much available space in the location at which you're storing this. Now let's make a few notes here. First is we'll download. Okay, first typo. Download Android Studio Bundle. Now the second thing that you're gonna download is Java JDK. Now JDK stands for Java Developmental Kit, and just I forgot to mention here. This course assumes that you have a beginner's knowledge of Java. By beginner's knowledge, I mean classes, objects, methods, and what's JDK, what's JRE. Don't get overwhelmed. It's not gonna be too much, and even if you don't have knowledge of these things, I'll make sure that I supply this knowledge in between this course, so that you can just work on with it. Now we just type in Java JDK here, and since we are starting this from scratch and we have downloaded the latest version of Android Studio, we are going to download the latest version of JDK. That's Java Developmental Kit 10. Since this is because we want to make things compatible with each other. If you use Android Studio version 3 and you use Java Kit 6, I guess things are not gonna work as smooth as you want them to. So just accept the license agreement and download the correct version: Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, Windows. Just download the version and we're good to go. So now we have both the softwares available with us. Now the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna install Java JDK. This is because when you install Android Studio Bundle, it's gonna ask you the path for Java JDK. So the first thing we do is we install Java JDK, and next we install Android Studio. Now, clear as mentioned before, the Android Studio setup will require the Java JDK path. So make sure that you note the path you gave for Java JDK. Okay, so I guess these processes are quite simple, and you just need to follow the instructions on screen and you're good to go. So I'm not following this process as I already have this all these software set up in my system. So I'm just gonna give you a little peek on how Android Studio starts, and in the next tutorial we're gonna start our first project. Will and I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I just hope you like it, and let's wait for Android Studio startup. Okay, so this is how the startup screen for Android Studio looks like. We have start a new Android Studio project, open a project, check out version control, import project, import, and in the next few tutorials, we're gonna learn what all these means, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching.